Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials, and today in this video I will show you how to fix your zoom problem on your Instagram application. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open settings on your mobile device. After that, scroll down and search for apps. Now click on it, and then at the top right corner you will see a search bar, and now you search for Instagram. And under privacy, you can find permissions. Tap on it. After that, you can click on camera and deny the permission. Now return back to the app info and you will see storage option under usage. Hit that button and all you have to do is clear cache on your right bottom corner. This will clear all your cache. Remember not to clear any data. After you are done, go back to your home screen. Now open your Play Store application to check if your Instagram is up to date. You hit that search button and search Instagram. As you can see, my Instagram is not up to date. So you have to click on that update button on your right. After updating, go back to your home page and now you open your Instagram and you have to open your camera and allow the permission. After that, you're all set. So guys, this is how you can easily fix your Instagram zoom problem. That's the end of today's video. I hope it was helpful and thank you all for watching. Stay tuned until our next upload.